Hello everyone, welcome to this week's weekly spelling words video, here to help you with word endings today. So, this week we're learning about words that have a suffix on the end. Suffix could be ing, er or ed. So what do we already know? We already know that adding to the end of a root word is called adding a suffix. Today we're going to have to double the last letter before adding the suffix. So that's our top tip. Double the last letter of each word before you add the suffix. Here we go with spelling 1. Forgetting, forgetting. Let's clap the word forgetting, forgetting. So we've got the root word forget, which we can sound out with the word for and get. Easy. Then we double the T. Finally, add the ing. Forgetting. Spelling 2. Forgotten. Forgotten. Can you clap it? Forgotten. Forgotten. Well done. So here we can use our sounds again. For, got, double the T, and then add the en on the end. We can see the word for and got in forgotten. Spelling 3, beginning, beginning. So the root word is begin, then we're adding ing. Let's clap the word. Beginning, beginning. There's the word begin, begin. Double the last letter N, add the ing, beginning. Spelling 4 is beginner, beginner. Let's clap it. Beginner, beginner. Here the root word is begin again. Begin. Double the last letter and add the beginner. I am a beginner at dancing. Spelling 5 is preferred, preferred. My preferred way of getting to school is walking, preferred. Let's clap it together. Preferred, preferred. Okay, so the root word is prefer. So it's pre-fur, prefer, no I, prefer. Then we double the R, add the ed. Tricky one, that one. Our final one today is spelling 6, preferring. So it's very similar, isn't it? Just a different suffix on the end. There's our word prefer, double the R, and this time add an ing, preferring. Okay, let's see if you can do my quiz now. Are you ready? Can you spot the right spelling? 1, 2, 3 or 4 for forgetting, forgetting. Well done if you said number 3. Double T in the middle. Next word is forgotten, forgotten. Which one is it? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Well done if you said number 1. Great job. Here we go with the next one. Beginning, beginning. 1, 2, 3 or 4? Well done if you said number 4. Doubling that N in the middle. Beginner, beginner. 1, 2, 3 or 4? Tell your adult. Number 1 this time. Well done. Preferred. Preferred. 1, 2, 3 or 4. You can always pause the video if you want to have a think about it. Well done, it's number 3. And preferring. Preferring. They all end in ing, but which one is the correct one for preferring? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Well done if you said number 2. Preferring. Double R. So don't forget, double the last letter before adding the suffix. That's our rule for this week. Looking forward to seeing you all get full marks on that spelling test. See you next time.